In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of stabilizing shaky video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro, create a new project or open an existing one, import the shaky video footage you want to stabilize, go to the media browser, right-click on the video file, and select Import. Drag your imported video file or video clip from the project panel to the timeline. As you can see, I have mine already open. From here, go to Effects and search for Wrap Stabilizer. Simply drag and drop the warp stabilizer to your video on the timeline, and it will automatically analyze your clip. If you find this good, you can stop the process and export your video. But if you want to have a more smooth and stabilized video, navigate to the Effects control on the top left of your screen. You can see here the warp stabilizer settings. Now go to warp stabilizer settings. From here, go to warp stabilizer and stabilization. On the drop-down, make sure to select no motion, and it will automatically analyze and stabilize your clip. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.